Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing, which you might be surprised at the fact because there wasn't obviously a live cop for the most recent drop with the Jordan collaboration, but that's because I wasn't here at all. I attempted on my phone to go for something for somebody, which they asked me to attempt for the black shorts in size small, and I said, yeah, that's no problem. I've got the time because I'm just sitting waiting around, so it's all good. I go to do that. And as soon as I go onto the shorts, small is non-existent. It just was not there. It was not on the drop. I don't really know what went on with it. I was on the dot for it when everything refreshed and loaded in. Everything else had their sizes except for small in the black shorts. So whether or not it's like the Snow White piece where it just doesn't exist, I don't know. We'll have to see whether or not a lot of people have them or not, or whether we just didn't get a lot of stock in the UK. But anyway, we've got our singular piece behind. As per norm, let me know down below whether or not your item has arrived yet, whether or not you've got shipping, or whether it just hasn't really done anything yet, and what you picked up, whether or not you got lucky or whether you got stuck in the queue, or whether you went for something else entirely different. But yeah, let's just jump straight into this anyway. Okay, so obviously, hopefully you see the piece beside me because there's nothing else really going on in the end. But I did say that I would have an unboxing and then I should hopefully be able to show the piece in its full after the fact because it's a present for a family member. So I'm not just gonna, you know, crack it out myself prior to that, but hopefully afterwards I'll just be able to come and be like, here it is. Before that though, something arrived which is a little different, which is just like, I guess, a small filler of something. It's a card. Yeah. Obviously, I don't know if many people know or not, but Dame Maggie Smith passed away. And being a Harry Potter fan and having a number of Harry Potter cards, graded, ungraded, and just different things here and there that are just Harry Potter related, I thought it was about time because I have a load of things on my watch list on eBay. And you know, you sort of think, do I, don't I, and you kind of leave it. But when I saw that, I was kind of just like, this just prompts me, I'm just going to get it and keep it in my collection. Unfortunately for me, after having one on my watch list for like 2 and a bit months, and then finally sending them offers back and forth, I was on like my last offer that I had left for a while, and I was like, I'm just gonna send them one more offer. They countered, I thought that's fine. I then see one sell like 2 days ago for like close to half the price that I paid. But you know, it happens. There is like a small like bit of damage on the side, which is like here, focus, as you can see, just where my finger is there. But there's the card anyway. So it's Professor McGonagall. So yeah, but it came from America in like the thinnest packaging, and that's all the damage it got. But yeah, I ordered something that was from the UK, and it's cracked on both sides. But anyway, regardless, this is the point to the video. And you'll probably be thinking, you know, well, what did you buy in the end? Now, I didn't go for any of the crazy, like, extravagant, big... Normally this just peels easily. Am I going to have to go back to the old term method? Now, I didn't go for any of the big, like, extravagant pieces, but at the same time, I went for something that I thought in the back of my mind, getting it for a family member would just be nice because they're a fan. And I just thought, to be honest, they recently had some issues with other pieces that they have purchased that haven't fit them so well. So, EP, box logo sticker. So I just thought, you know, I would just grab this for them to be, you know, not a consolation, but you know what I mean, just like a, here you go. So this is a size small. What in the world? That's a large small, but it's going to be the Biggie tee from the Jordan collab. So let's just go up close. I will be able to show it in all its glory in a little bit in the end, but it's just for the time being. Obviously, it's going to be displayed like this. So obviously different tags, Jordan tags and everything, as you can see. Neck tag is even the exact same. It's just going to be Jordan, same small person. Made in Vietnam in the end. So yeah, and there is Biggie with the Air Jordan collection tee on as well. So yeah, that is going to be that in the end. You've got a small box logo at the bottom corner, but that's basically it as a overall. And then obviously on the back of the neck as well, you've just got a Jordan logo. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing really else for me to say in relation to it. Hopefully it fits them because I mean, small was the smallest size when I went onto it. I didn't see like an XS or anything like that. There might have been an extra small, I don't know. But obviously small person or small men's, I'm sure that should be fine, I hope. I mean, a small is a small regardless. So, but I say that, smalls and mediums and larges haven't really been small, medium and large as of late in things that I've been buying. But yeah, that is going to cover this video anyway. So there is the piece. There's nothing really else to say to that. Here is the other piece, obviously. And yeah, that is basically everything. So like I said, let me know if your items have arrived, how they fit, because I don't trust any sizes currently, I really don't. And yeah, there was also obviously Palace, which I was kind of just disappointed that I should have just bought the knit, because of the fact that it's like non-existent anywhere. I literally saw like one eBay listing for like a large, no Facebook posts about it either, which is kind of weird to not have anyone really doing that, and no like listings anywhere else. So I'm like, oh, I made a big mistake, that's just going to be non-existent, because the last hairy knit from Palace is also non-existent from like 2 years ago or something, or 3 years ago. It just doesn't exist. So yeah, anyway, that is going to cover this video. So regardless, let me know, like I said. Other than that, I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace. Okay, so I've just given it to them. So yeah, anyway, this is how it looks. It's kind of big for a small, I can't lie. But you know, the material is super soft and nice, because Jordan, always nice. And then you've got the inside tags. That just give all the details and everything. And yeah, so it's a big graphic, it's really soft and nice. So yeah, that is that. And then you can see Jordan on the back. So it's really cool. And they're a fan, so. But yeah, anyway, there you go.